Hey guys, welcome to my channel Dr. Homeopathy. Subscribe for further updates. Mental Generals Alphabet D to H, starting with tall camera. Mental confusion cannot find right word for anything. Pair of met. Irritability, slightest noise drive him to despair like crackling of paper. Next, Gelsemium. Bad effect from fright, fear, exciting news and sudden emotion. Fear of death, utter lack of courage. Anticipation while preparing for church. While preparing for theatre to meet an engagement. Brings on diarrhea. Stage fright, nervous of appearing in public. Desire to be quiet, to be let alone, does not wish to speak or have anyone near her, even in person be silent. Children with fear of falling grasp the crib or seize the nurse. Other two remedies, borax and sanicula. Next, gloon. Bad effects, mental excitement, fright, fear, mechanical injuries and lateral consequences. Next come to graphitis. Courteousness, timid, hesitates, unable to decide about anything. Fidgety while sitting at work. Music makes her weep. Thinks of nothing but death. Children, imprudent, teasing, laugh at reprimands. Next come to hellivorous. Melancholy, wakeful, despairing, silent with anguish after typhoid, in girls at puberty or when menses fail to return after appearing. Consolation aggravates, does not want to be disturbed. Unconsciousness, a picture of acute idiocy, chronic idiocy, Baraitaka. Next come to Elonius. Restless, must be continually moving about. Fault finding, cannot endure least contradiction or receive least suggestion. Profound melancholy, deep mental depression. Always better when occupied, when not thinking of the ailment. Next come to hypersalt. Oversensitive physically and mentally, slightest cause irritate him. Hypochondriacal, unreasonably anxious, hypersalt patient. Next come to hyoscyamus. Intense sleeplessness from business embarrassment, often imaginary. Non-inflammatory diseases with increased cerebral activity. In hysteria or delirium tremens, tries to escape, no wants, no complaints. In delirium, hyoscyamus lies the midway between belladonna and stramonium. Fear, being alone, poison, being beaten, being sold. Very suspicious, hyoscyamus patient is. Unfortunate love, jealousy, inclined to laugh at everything, often followed by epilepsy. Lascivious mania, lies naked in bed and chatters. Sing obscene songs. Thank you guys.